good. This was a short session as of now, part of the budget session. But Parliament is closed because of Holi. We'll resume again on Monday. So it has got adjourned.
Captain, what made you discuss the issue of Lord Khapreshwar in the...
So see, we have to understand, we are Goans. Whether it is the Hindu deity or a Catholic church or a Muslim masjid or Allah, whatever. This is part of our culture, of our tradition, religious harmony. In Konkani, आम्ही म्हणतात dies. This is our dies, and we have to defend. We have to defend each other's faith. And since I am a representative sent by the people, it is my responsibility, because the way the destruction what is happening in Goa is not acceptable. The way the deity was removed forcefully using cutters, the way temple was demolished, the banyan tree, 200 years old banyan tree, removed. I think so it tells about what is happening in Goa. Whether the government is in control or somebody in Delhi is controlling.